Above the fold area is the area of your website that appears to a visitor without having to scroll. So, all of the content that appears to the visitor initially before the visitor scrolls vertically is above the fold content. Google gives a lot of importance to this area of the website, and you should too. This is what your users will see initially. We need to optimize all code in above the fold area so that this area of your website loads very fast. We will use two plugins to optimize code in above the fold area. The first is Auto Optimize. This plugin minifies all CSS, HTML, and JavaScript code and thus reduces the page size. It also concatenates scripts and styles. This plugin inserts itself in the settings menu in the dashboard. Let's click on it to configure the settings. We'll enable all of these HTML, JavaScript and CSS optimization, save changes and empty cache. The second plugin we will use is For Future Expiry Header. This modifies the htaccess file and adds expires headers to static file types. This can significantly reduce the HTTP requests, making your site faster. This plugin also inserts a menu item in the settings menu in the dashboard. We'll enable For Future Expiration and set an expiry date of 30 days for each of these file types. You would want to note that this plugin also has gzip compression. You would not want to enable the gzip compression option here, as we already have enabled gzip compression when we configured W3 Total Cache. Save settings. Let's see what web page test has to say about the performance of this page after we made these changes. The total number of requests the page is making is now 20. It used to be 23, so we have reduced 3 requests. GTmetrix says the page is making 17 requests and is now loading in a little over a second, and our performance scores are very good. There will always be a difference between various testing tools depending on where these servers are located. The test server region for GTmetrix is Vancouver, and web page test server is in Virginia.